The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hello, wonderful people. I am excited to be with you. Can I just get a 1 in the box to let me know that you can hear me loud and clear, my friends? That would be very much appreciated. I'm looking forward to engaging with you all, sharing what is happening, because I'm excited and you guys are very, very switched on. I can see that inside the chat. So welcome, everyone. I'm very, very happy to also obviously see some familiar names in there, which is really cool. And you are all fired up, and I hope you're as excited as we are, because it is going to be fantastic. I promise you that. So let's just get straight into it. I'm glad you can hear me. Can you see my screen? I want to make sure that you can see my screen and not just hear me. Do you see this beautiful vision in front of you saying VRStudio? Yes, loud and clear. You can hear me. Perfect. Yep. You guys are switched on and engaged, and that gives me more energy for this presentation. So thank you in advance for everyone for sticking with us. There will be questions, I'm sure, and they will be answered at the end. We have a team on hand as well, so do not worry. We will look after you to the best of our capabilities. Now, Ronan says, yes, wondering how you look like. You'll see very, very soon, my friend. So, welcome to the world of virtual tours. Now, you all will know what the gist of this is, obviously, because many of you will know what they are. But for those of you who don't, do not worry, you will not be left in the dark for long. Today, we are showcasing a brand new AI fusion-based technology to not only create engaging 360-degree virtual tours easily, but the ability to sell them to entrepreneurs and businesses too, as VRStudio comes with a commercial license. And at the end, obviously, I'll put in a woohoo, because this excites me as well, because there are big things ahead, my friends. So you're going to be joining us in the new era in video marketing today onwards, okay? Now grab a pen and paper, a drink, and get ready to learn and take action. I want you taking notes. I want you engaging. Ask those questions, but save them for the end, okay? Because I want to get through this. I'm mindful of your time and obviously showing exactly what we have right here, right now. And for those of you who are serious and stay to the end, this is where it gets even better, my friends, because we're giving away 3 free copies of VRStudio, and the most engaged person will win $100 right here live on the call at the very end, okay? And we will be announcing that. We're going to bring in Faraz, who I will introduce shortly as well, who will actually do that live on this call, okay? This isn't a recording. This is good to go right now, and we will be doing it live like this. So allow me to introduce myself and the team. Obviously, I'm Craig. This is Faraz, and we have Tim as well. This is the team behind this awesomeness, okay? And you are in very good hands, which you're about to learn. So myself, Craig, I'm 38 from England, UK, Nottingham. Here's a bit of my background. I've generated over $10 million in online sales in the past 8 years within my business. I've mentored over 5,000 people now, believe it or not, to achieve great results too. And some have even generated over $1 million working with me, which I'm very, 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 very proud of. To be able to help people towards financial freedom really excites me. It's my biggest passion, helping people. And that's why I'm excited to have you here today with me. I've been part of over 60 software development projects that serve tens of thousands of people worldwide. So wherever you are in the world, I may have actually provided a solution to anything that you need, along with over 30 courses. And I also do high-level mentorship programs as well to help people take their business to the next level. We also have Faraz. He's from Canada, he's 33, and he started at the age of 22 online, supplying Groupon and daily deal site products that made over $1 million in 2012 alone. So you know that this entrepreneur knows his stuff as well. He then grew into the internet marketing arena by the end of 2014, around the time that I met him, funny enough. So we've known each other quite a while, along as we have with Tim as well. And he's generated 8 figures in revenue too online. So he's been kicking butt in the online arena for quite some time as well. And then we have Tim, who's from the Netherlands. He's 45, and he is a top affiliate in the 1% on multiple affiliate platforms. And he's got deep, extensive knowledge in software and training. He is a super smart guy as well. He's also a traffic master, and he can drive traffic from multiple places, bringing in a flood of sales to wherever he decides, which is a beautiful thing, right? And he's got years of experience in the industry, and Tim has the knowledge and the expertise to help your business succeed. So as you can see, you are in very good hands, very, very good hands indeed. And combined, we've not only generated multiple 8 figures, $20 million plus collectively, but we've also helped other people to do the same too. So you're no different to the people that we worked with in the past to bring amazing opportunities. And I want you to understand that, because we all have the capability to move forwards within business, even if it's an existing one or one that you want to venture out into. We all have exactly what we need. We have an online connection, we've got our brains, and we've got our fingertips, and that's all you need. You just need the drive and the perseverance, and you will get there too, my friends. I promise you that. It just takes the will to succeed. Now, this presentation is going to reveal to you the power of virtual tours, okay? And how you can turn one simple decision into a gold mine today. I'm not talking about in a week's time, in 10 years' time. This is something that is right here, right now. By using a never seen before virtual video and image creation technology to change the game without the need for any expensive monthly subscriptions, which we all hate, or other multiple apps, or any technical abilities needed at all whatsoever. So, like I said, some of you will be wondering what a virtual tour is. And it's a good question, because obviously you want to know what we're talking about, right? Now, virtual tours are composed as a sequence of still images or videos that gives the viewer a simulation of an existing location, bringing a location online or offline alive, just like you see on the right here. Combined with additional multimedia elements such as music, narration, and sound effects, these are added to stimulate interest also. It's very exciting stuff, my friends. And often included, there's smart integrations into the tours, things like clickable points of interest, which we'll cover later into this presentation as well. And today, virtual tours are often used as marketing tools by real estate companies, hotels, dealerships, and retail, along with any business that can benefit from them. And any business these days can benefit from them too. Now, if I go quiet, it's because I'm having a sip of my drink and I'm speaking a lot, so bear with me. Now, moving on to some facts. And I love facts purely and simply because it bolsters exactly the understanding and the need for certain things. And I looked into this myself. I made this presentation, and I truly believe that understanding and learning more about something is a key way to actually move into it with the knowledge and security. So here's some facts, and interesting ones at that. Here's a fun fact. So a virtual tour is highly appealing as it makes your customers and potential customers feel like they're walking through the actual location or the products on offer, giving a different experience than a video or a website. It's so much more interactive. It also allows customers to engage while playing around in the virtual playground that you've created, which is creating a bigger interest in what they may be about to purchase. Therefore, customers actually spend a long time exploring your virtual tours until they're satisfied with their research. And I actually got this fact from an actual credible website, and the source is Leonardo Worldwide. And businesses that are using virtual tours within their businesses enjoy increased bookings and look to book conversion ratios by a whopping 16 to 67. Yes, I said it, 67%. And the more engaging the media, the points of interest, and in background music, animations, or video, the higher the conversion rates. And that's by TIG Global. Going back to Leonardo Worldwide, they also said that with virtual tours, they receive 5 to 10 times longer views than those without. And this is an actual real statistic, okay? Now, the demand for virtual tours has literally exploded. They're a great way to show visually, what the potential clients will enjoy. Now, these tours are an innovative tool for both businesses and customers, okay? It isn't just a one-way thing. And customers can enjoy peace of mind while they get a virtual feel of a business or service. And that's by Panomatics. And 2 out of 3 people know what a virtual tour is, and they're keen for more businesses to offer them, okay? So among a survey, participants from a survey done by the company SeatGeek, it revealed that 67% would like to see more virtual tour opportunities. So like I say, understanding all around this arena and this concept and this way that the whole world is moving is very, very important. And that's why I'm sharing these facts right here, right now. And there are over 5 million visits of virtual tours every single day worldwide. And this is by Panomatics as well. But obviously, they also help to build a bond of trust between the business and its customers as well, because you're literally revealing all, aren't you? So it's very, very cool. It's very exciting. And this is why so many more businesses are looking to move this way. But the funny thing is not everyone knows about them, right? So you can also increase your Google ranking, and Google prefers displaying virtual tours on websites, boosting your websites even higher. And this is from the source Laurel Tech. All of these are all real established businesses who actually go and dive into these kind of things. And this is where I've got all this information from. Also, virtual tours can also influence your listing strength or visibility in organic search. In fact, map listings that have a virtual tour see a 12% increase in engagement. And that's by Laurel Tech as well. So does this interest you, folks? Does this kind of bring you, I like this already, says John. That's it, switched on already. Yeah, does this interest you? Does this excite you as much as it does us? Because obviously, like I say, I want to teach you guys the ins and the outs and everything around this so you understand it fully. But obviously, these are exciting things. This is information that we all need to know. So can I get a 1 in the box if this interests you? Because, like I say, it sure as heck interests us as well. 1, 1, 1. Douglas says 1. Greg says 1. Craig says 1. There is a flood of ones. McKenna says 1. Roland says 1. John says 1. Thor says 1. There is a lot of people lighting this up. So thank you to everyone for keeping engaged and switched on and obviously sharing the excitement with us because, like I say, we see the true potential. So now that you see the true power in the world of 360-degree tours with real facts shared by real companies, it's time to jump into a little more information on how they're so useful, because we truly believe that fully understanding the power that you're about to hold is highly important moving forward so that you can get the best from a venture like this. Like I say, I share as much information as possible, and I want you to come away from this call with a full understanding of the ins and the outs and also why it's so important. So let's get right into it. Let's do this. So virtual tours offer many benefits that all kinds of businesses can use. And I've seen the chat about some people have actually asked what kind of businesses can use these, and we will get to that, my friends. It's a true phenomenal way to not only use something so powerful for your own business to increase leads and sales, but also, like I mentioned earlier, to sell to other businesses for premium prices. And when I say premium prices, we're not talking about the money that you spend on a pizza, right? These are going for crazy amounts, especially when you find out how easy it is to do these as well. So virtual tours are a brilliant way for savvy business owners that want to advertise their knowledge, build bonds and credibility with customers, and improve online search engine results like I've just mentioned. These are key, right? There are many reasons why virtual tours are a hot commodity right now. Among other things, they're fun and they use a form of media that's exciting and appealing to customers. And not everyone's come across them yet. So when new people do, it blows their minds. And I know this for certain because the first time when I came across one of these, I was like, what the heck is this? And I was there, I was playing around, I was looking through everything. It was exciting. And that was when it, like back in the day when they were just bare bones. Now you will find out so much more that makes it even more exciting. So a 360 tour guide can basically take prospective clients through the interior of a virtual playground or your clients that are created, okay? Now, running through a virtual tour can even illustrate that unique atmosphere of the space, ultimately enticing people to take action. And it really, really does. So VRStudio, ooh, I skipped a slide by accident then. Apologies for that. It can bring your business to life or even allow you to create a business that people need to help increase their leads, sales, and even authority. And as you can see in the GIF image that we created here, there are different ways that you can actually go through different places with different POIs, which, like I say, we're going to go into. Now, imagine for a moment if you're in the UK, USA, or wherever you may be, and you want to book a hotel to a vacation in Mexico, for example, wherever you want to be. I put Mexico out there just as one example. So you visit a booking site to find an actual 3D immersive virtual tour where you can explore the rooms, the buildings, the sites, and even the pool, because we all want to find out as much information as possible of potential places that we want to visit, right? So you scope out the whole area and you see what you like, but there is only one step left, right? Because you've gone to the other places you've looked, and obviously looking through some videos is cool, looking through images is cool, but when you actually can explore it yourself on your own terms, in your own time, and look at different things, different points of interest, see everything in its entirety, there's just that one step left, and that's to purchase a stay, right? Or also, Just imagine for a moment if you're looking to move into a new home in another area or state, but you don't have time just yet to travel because it's 8 p.m. in the evening and you're at home. You visit a real estate agent's website to find an actual 3D immersive 360-degree tour where you can explore the rooms of the house and the garden, the building of an apartment block, the surroundings, wherever it may be. You see what you like, and obviously, like I said last time, there's only one step left. You make a booking to view because you're actually immersing yourself in the actual area, and it actually helps way, way, way more, as obviously the facts that are provided. So do you all understand this? John says he's grinning right now. Beep, beep. So yeah, so do you understand this as well? Like when you're actually immersed into something and you can view and explore and there's points of interest and you can actually see everything rather than just try and guess. Does that make sense to you all? Can I get a 1 in the box? Obviously Tyrone says yes, great. Sandrine, we will answer these questions at the end. But yes, Thor says yes, John says yes, Sai says yes, Pete says yes, McKenna says yes, Roland says yes. So yes, you're all understanding and you all understand the reason why stuff like this is so beneficial to actually understanding the surroundings and the products and things. I'm so happy that you all agree with me on this. It makes it all worthwhile. And thank you for your engagement. It keeps me switched on way, way more as well. Now, here's some more examples that have popped into my head at the time when I was writing the part of this presentation. And there is so many. Let me tell you now, the list is endless. And here's some more examples that popped into my head at the time of writing this part of the presentation. So there's real estate, like I mentioned already, but there's also museums and galleries, there's hotels, car dealerships, nursing and care homes for people who want to actually go and see the place before actually taking the time to visit. If it's 10 hours away, if it's 5 hours away, 3 hours away, whatever it is, people like to save time and effort. And also this is a pandemic proof way of people actually viewing a place without actually having to go there. So in the future, excuse me, if anything pops up like the corona times that we had, then this is something where people can immerse themselves into the place where they could potentially go. It's very, very cool. Also, there's general VR tours, uni and school campuses, spas and gyms, bars and nightclubs, retail and jewelry stores. These are just some examples. There are thousands and thousands of them, not just forgetting that there is online too. So virtual tours even give businesses with an online presence a chance to sell, engage, and guide customers, okay? You can allow customers to view online products, services, even libraries of visuals for sale. So like NFTs in crypto, for example, or you can even highlight ebooks or any online products and services and information. And Tim will be coming on shortly and actually showing you the demo, which is really, really cool. I've seen what he's been doing with this and it excites me even more. So you can create the closest thing to a brick and mortar store online, okay? People can actually go through your own online stores and buy from within there, giving people a chance to explore, obviously learn and view what's on offer in real time. But instead of a store on the high street, it's a store in a digital presence. And believe you me, we have ways to help you with this as well. It isn't just like we're just saying this and just gonna leave you to it. So I have a question. How many of you have seen virtual tours? I want to learn more about you guys now. Can I get a yes for obviously you've seen it, or a no for those who haven't? Everybody says yes. Been using them for years, says someone smart, man. Yes, 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 yes. So everyone is in agreement. We've seen them. Great. I will continue them because I have another question, my friends. How many of you enjoyed them because they gave you a better understanding of what you were looking at? Can I get a 1? Because obviously everyone's saying yes. So if you can put a 1 in the box, because I want to understand it. Oh my goodness. If you see how quick the chat box lights up. Craig says he used them in real estate. Tyrone says he's seen them in the Coliseum. So yeah, perfect. So all of you have used them, seen them, and enjoyed them. So you understand now that everyone else is more or likely to have enjoyed them as well because they got that understanding, because they knew what they were looking at. It is a massive, massive help, as I'm sure we can all agree now. And in fact, even you guys are all actually higher engagement, says Craig. Exactly. Nice model, says Douglas. With videos, it's crazy, says Sandrine. So yes. And I also have one final question. How many of you have an online business that could use tours or are looking to create a business in general to make money online, a side hustle or a full-time business. I want to know how many of you could actually use something like this, enhancing your business or creating a business. Full-time says Douglas. McKenna says yes. I do says Alois. I am says Tyrone. Yes, doing it now says John. Sandrine says that gave me ideas. Nikisha says yes. Nick says yes. This enhances my business. Sell products in a virtual shop, says Craig. I do, says Eugene. So there is a heck of a lot of people. All of you, in fact, have all said that you understand this. You know where we're headed with this because obviously you enjoy them yourself. You understand the tours yourself. And obviously you're all looking to utilize something like this. So this is exciting for me because this is the way that the future is heading. This is virtual reality. You've even seen Facebook are trying to go that way. There are so many ways that we can utilize this. So I'm glad we're all on the same page. Now let's get into it. Now I asked the final question because I personally feel that this opportunity is incredible to offer to other businesses as well. And 99% of companies don't even know where to begin to create 360-degree virtual tours. Yes, we know that they exist, but most people don't know where to begin. They don't have the technical ability sometimes. They want someone else to do it, but they don't know where to begin. They don't have a clue. And this is where we come in, my friends. They need a solution, and one that makes their lives as easy as possible. Now, it's common knowledge that companies have budgets that allow them to purchase services. And I get this question on some of my stuff all the time in the past. They're like, well, why would people pay for it? Well, most of them pay for adverts of some sort, design, web design, SEO, and other services. Even if it's offline, people book in that we call it the yellow pages here in the UK. They pay for advertisements in local magazines. So there are definitely people spending everywhere to try and enhance their business. And it gives us solid information that there's a great chance that they will purchase this service too. It makes sense, right? So whether you have a business that you could obviously use the system or even one that you couldn't, this is a fit for anyone because what we're about to reveal is going to give you an opportunity to enter the market and take a slice of the pie that many companies are charging thousands of dollars for. And we've obviously got a whole package to help you achieve this. Like we left no stone unturned for this because we truly want to help as many people as possible. Now, we did some research and what we found was astounding. So think again if you think virtual tours are sold for peanuts. And I'm going to show you some results of searches from companies who sell virtual tours to companies around the world. I'm not just talking in affluent countries. I'm talking in most countries, okay? Because even in like Mexico, for example, it's not that much. It's classed as a third world country, but there are very affluent hotels there. Like there's so many different places who could use virtual tours. They have money to spend, these luxury places, these car dealerships, etc., etc., etc. So if you have a business that could use it or someone else could use it, we're onto a winner. But check these out. So BizTour, bespoke virtual tours. I won't go through it all and read it all. From 4K, as you can see on the top left here. We also have the Scene 3D. I put a little square around it. As low as £250, which is about $280, up to $3,000. So that's about $3,500 or so, maybe a bit less, dollars. That is incredible, right? Also, we have small location, medium location, and interactive location. I know these are in pounds, but obviously I'm from the UK. But obviously there are, if the UK is selling them, America and everywhere else is, right? But these are the prices that people are asking. And even this, look down here, just straight down to the bottom, 4,000 square feet, they charge by the square foot, $1,350. And over 40,000 square feet, please email. So there are big prices. Also, Matterport charge, and I've highlighted it here, $800 to well over $10,000 for a large-scale museum virtual tour, for example. Big money, my friends. And even Fiverr.com, where customers come straight to you. People look like we have one up here on the top left, $1,350. Some people are charging $65, but they're very basic, but still $65, $550, $80, and obviously $120. So it ranges from the smaller amounts up to the high, like over $10,000 mark, which to me is exciting, and I know it is as well. Can I get one in the box if you find this as exciting as I do? Yahoo, says John. Thank you. 1111111. John says he's hide over 20. Incredible. Tyrone says yes. Nick says yes. Sandrine, Nikisha, Paul, Craig, Simon, Craig, Paul, Peter, Alfred, John, Rashid. So thank you, everyone. You're all flying in with these answers, and I really appreciate it. It makes me laugh because you guys are so switched on and so engaging. It just makes me happy. So this obviously leads me to something very exciting. And it truly, truly is exciting. We're going to reveal to you an easy to use system that's going to rock your world, okay? And it's a system that allows you to create and sell engaging 360-degree virtual tours in just 3 clicks from a single dashboard. Now, VRStudio has some incredible features, and I'm going to show you before we step into a live demo. I'm going to share some of them right here, right now. Let's get right into it, okay? So you have 3D views where you can create a 3D view to show your tours in an immersive and interactive mode. We also have the ability for galleries to show a dedicated image gallery on your virtual tour, okay? Exciting stuff. And ultra virtual staging, you can show a before and after version of a panorama in the same view by splitting the screen. So we actually have split screen stuff as well. Also, POI style, so points of interest style, so you can be creative with an extensive customization of points of interests. It's incredible. We also have web VR, so you can experience virtual tours or your customers in virtual 3D reality mode directly inside web browsers. So it's inside the internet where you log in, and, or not even log in, you go to Google, you find wherever you want to, or on any website, any blog, etc., etc. Also, powerful hotspot editing. So you can get creative with extensive customization points of interest within those, with images, videos, links, 3Ds, and more. It's very, very exciting. And there is so much to share with you guys. You can also do live sessions and meetings where you can invite people to join your shared tour with video, audio calls, and chats. Now, obviously, you're going to see the power of that thing just alone. And obviously, virtual reality is where people can experience the VR reality tours directly inside a browser with a mobile or even a compatible VR headset. So people don't just have to view them on web browsers, on computers. It's mobiles, it's on VR headsets. It's literally everywhere and anywhere. You can also add stores into your tours. Stores into your tours. Maybe I should coin that. And your products and sell them directly inside the tour. So people can actually peruse through. This is IKEA, for example. They can actually go through IKEA and choose what they want to look at and purchase it. Incredible stuff, right? Also, you can use the showcases by viewing all your tours in a single page, so people can actually access more than one. And we also support 360-degree video as panorama too. There's so many features, all made to benefit you guys. And you can also, across the globe, view all your tours in a world map. Also, we have other valuable features: voice command support, QR features, multi-language support, and even room measurements. Now, I'm sure you will all see just how exciting that is. And that's why you'll probably hear it in my voice how excited I am, because I love this. We eat, sleep, and breathe this now. This is our baby. So let's recap. With the VRStudio, you can create interactive 360-degree virtual tours in the easiest and time-friendly way, with 360-degree views, which is panoramas, 360-degree videos and photos, floor plans, and fully customizable frames as well. So we're opening an opportunity for you to start telling actual stories with multifunctional hotspots and clickable objects that your audience discover when they're walking through the tour. New 3D transition effects and unique features such as animated panoramas, live panoramas with day and night effects, adaptive HDR, and 360-degree video with hotspots on top. Like I say, you're going to learn more in the demo, so don't worry if none of these or some of these you don't fully understand yet. But virtual tours can be seen on any computer, tablet, or phone, which is Android and iOS. And there's no installation or plugins needed, so it is so easy to use. You view them online and offline, and even in VR headsets. It's incredible stuff. So it does the following with the recap: live panorama enhancing, hotspot editing, hotspot transitions and effects, fonts, icons, custom images, 3D text, and way more. Obviously, maps, floor plans, and orientation indicators as well, with background sounds, projection and behavior adjustments. We also have unlimited hotspot views for you to enjoy. We have device previews, embed directly into your websites and landing pages, voice command support, like I already mentioned, QR code features, multi-language support, and even room measurements. Now, this is truly mind-blowing, and this is why, like I say, you hear the excitement in my voice, because it is so powerful and it's going to help you all so much. And here's just some more of what our platform can do with the 3D views. You can create 3D views and show your tour in an immersive and interactive mode with presentations, which is a new way to present a virtual tour by creating your own storytelling. With virtual staging, you can show before and after versions of a panorama in the same view by splitting the screen, which is incredible, especially if you want to sell this like an agency. Also galleries, so you can show a dedicated images gallery on the virtual tours too. With points of interest styles, get creative with extensive customization of points of interest. And with the web VR, like I say, so you can experience virtual tours in 3D virtual reality mode inside the browsers that people are viewing them on. And that's on pretty much any device. You can even invite people to join your shared video with video, audio calls, and chat from within the platform. So it means that you have a great way for viewers to engage and ask questions and buy, so you can sell within it. How cool is that? Now, can you imagine the power of what companies hold by using that? That's my company, your company, prospective other companies. It's incredible. So now I'd like to introduce you to my colleague, Tim, who's going to guide you through the VRStudio platform, revealing to you the true ease and power of this incredible studio. Are you there, buddy?
Hey, yeah, I'm here. I'm just excited as you are. Can you guys hear me? Just type a 1 in the chat box. Everyone, loud and clear. Yes, 111. Lots of ones coming. So awesome. So who likes to see a demo of this this software? Can you see my screen already or not?
I'm just trying to make you a presenter now.
You see here, change. All right. I need to, hold on. I need to enable something, it says here. Hold on. I need to enable something. 1 second, guys.
So while Tim's doing that, I have a question for you. How many of you already have light bulbs going off in your head of what you can use it for and how you can use it, whether it's for yourself or for other businesses? Oh yeah, says McKenna. I like it, says Ed. Akeisha says yes. Craig says yes. Tyrone says I do. Yes, I darn sure see it now. Certainly, says Peter. Thor says for sure. Seismical. Sorry if I got that wrong. For sure, definitely. Yes, mine is flickering. Me, says Samuel. Gamifying and other environments. Do we have to add our own videos? You'll find out more, my friend. Douglas says, don't forget me. Craig says, already counting in the cash. Ayush says, this is the golden goose.
Okay, Greg, can you hear me?
I can hear you, buddy.
Okay, awesome. So I have to do 2 things. Somehow I got kicked out. So
welcome back.
I'm almost there to show you guys the demo. Sorry about the issue.
It's fine. We're having a chat. We're getting to know each other better.
Okay, awesome. All right, so let me see. Can you hand over the presenter now? Let's check if it works now.
Yeah. One says you already are an organizer presenter, and there's 2 of you. So
can you see my screen now?
No, but I'll try it.
Okay. Okay. Yes, main screen. All right. This should be my screen. Can you see my screen right now?
I can't see it yet.
No. That's too bad, man. Okay. Stop showing screen. Okay, show. Let's try Google Chrome if I can. Okay. Can you see Google Chrome now? No.
Not yet.
Shoot, guys. It's not sharing my screen.
I'll figure it. We will figure it, my friend. Let me try a different Tim, because there's 2 of you, like I said. Yes. How about now?
No. It's not picking it up. I have to do I can try a real quick start. Can you maybe go through some questions now and then show the demo in a few minutes?
Yeah, for sure. Like,
Okay. Let's do that. I'll
that's a
be
very
back
thank you
real
to
quick.
everyone for obviously staying with us, being patient. I just need to figure out now how I bring up go to webinar. I'm going to share my screen, change presenter, my screen. Ed says how to win a copy. We will be calling that at the end of this webinar, my friends, so do not worry. Craig says nearly every property seller wanted one of these when I used to make them. So Dream, we'll show you that in the demo. She was just asking about how to get the picture into 360. So let's do something. Let's think about how we can obviously utilize this product to bring our businesses forward. Obviously, if you have a business yourself, you already have the ideas. But obviously, when it comes down to other ways, because I was thinking about one as well, like how fun would it be to have an interactive kind of treasure hunt that kids could use with 360-degree tours? So like they actually can go through different rooms, and when you see what we have and the bonuses that we have for you guys, you'll understand even more. It'll probably open your eyes way bigger. But like imagine being able to go on treasure hunts and things like that, or even like mazes, I guess, where people can actually go through and find things. Or like I say, on a virtual store, people can come in, you can have a library, people can actually purchase books, they could download Kindle books, they could download anything from there, they can buy through there, they can go to external links, they can go to different places, which is very cool in my opinion. Peter says haunted house, escape room, etc. How about, Craig says, how about creating a virtual tour and hot linking to Amazon products? Exactly. It isn't just in the realm of real estate and obviously hotels, car dealerships, retail in general. There is, can you guys not see my screen? I'm going to share my screen again. Or share my screen. It should. My screen just should show Tim's beautiful face. Yeah, you can. People can see it. Cool. Useful in the times of COVID, and yeah, and some people actually predict that there's going to be other pandemics. So can you imagine just how useful? I mean, they're useful now. They were useful before the pandemic. The pandemic obviously skyrocketed everyone to be more cautious and careful. So it is it's definitely interesting. And also Craig says, how about creating a virtual shop hot link into digital products or reviews? Exactly. You can also have your videos in there, so you can actually, people can go around, peruse inside your online store, and then obviously watch videos, consume more content of what you want to share with them as they go around your online store. Now, if you haven't got a store, we actually have a bonus that's coming up for you that we're actually piecing together. Here's an odd niche. I'm going to call you Sai, if that's all right, just because I don't want to pronounce your name wrong. Here's an odd niche. Could you use it in cemeteries? I guess so. Your online virtual marketing cinema. No, Matthew, you won't be able to see a chat window, buddy. I just read out. Healthcare and homes. Yeah, that is an odd niche, though, Si. But there are people who actually make a lot of money, right? I'll give you an example. There's some people on Instagram, and they go around, and TikTok, and they go around actually cleaning gravestones. They clean gravestones. Okay. Imagine if you had your 3D virtual VR, where people could actually go through the cemetery and it shows the headstones that they've cleaned. They've got millions of followers. It's insane. I never even knew about it. Sai says, I've heard of that. Very interesting.
I'm back, Greg.
Welcome back, buddy.
So let's see if it works now.
Yeah, I'm going to make a presenter, my friend.
Okay, show my screen. Hopefully you can see my screen now.
Bingo. Yeah.
That looks better, right? Gladly, we got it fixed. Can you guys hear me? Yes.
Yep. See the screen and hear you loud and clear.
Awesome. Well, let's go. Super excited to show you guys what's possible with VRStudio. And some of you probably already seen some of the example virtual tours, but here you can see this is a demo page that you also can create with the software itself. like this is a house demo. If you're wondering where you can use this software for, you can use this to show houses. And I'm going to show my own house today because I made a virtual tour of my house. You can do galleries here. You can set up stores where you can sell your products. You could do 3D models, even do stream videos as backgrounds, demo measurements. So if you want to share a house with someone else and you want to share measurements, you can show that as well. There's so many possibilities where you can use VRStudio for demo virtual staging. Let me open this one quickly to show you how cool this is, because you will be able to create all of this yourself. So this is an empty home. Let's say you're gonna add some new furniture in here. Look at this. People can see the difference here. You can do a before and an after. You can upload 2 images and you can show this when you do home decoration, for example. And there's so many possibilities that I can show you here on this page. This is a very good example where you can go to a showroom, a car showroom, where you can show every single car. But the most fun thing to do is to just show you my own car, what you can do with your car as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you real quickly how you can create a tour in literally a few minutes. And to do so, you need to click on create here at the right top where you can create a tour. So you need to give your tour a name. So let's say this is the webinar tour. And you can give your author a name. So let's say this is Tim Verdouw. This is my name. And now I'm going to click on create. Right now, this tour has been created here. And I need to add rooms. So here at the left menu, let me zoom in a bit so that you can see it better. You can add rooms. So those are all the pictures and you can upload them in bulk. So when you click on bulk here and you drop your images in here. So what I'm going to do quickly here is, let's say I'm going to take the street view. I'm going to take my car. Let's see, where's my car? The living room here. I'm going to do the car inside and the front door here. Let's open 4, otherwise it will be too much. And as you can see, I'm now uploading my images to VRStudio. Now, what I did, I purchased a simple camera. Those images that you will be seeing has been done with a camera. It's called, let me see here, I wrote it down. It's Insta360, this camera that I use. So right now, these images have been uploaded. And basically what you do is you go through this right menu. So now we created rooms. What we want to do is we want to add markers to the room. So with markers, you can point from one room to the other room to the other room. So let's click on markers. And now we need to select the room where we want to add the markers to. So let's say I'm in the living room here where I want to add markers. Now look at this. This is my living room. You're now in my living room. This is actually my house. Do you see that? This is my house. And if you want to add pointers or markers, you simply click on this plus button here at the right side. And here you can decide to which view you want to go. So normally I also would have had the garden, for example, but let's say I want to do the outside front door here. So that's my car. This is a picture of the front door. And when you drag this image, you can decide how this will look like. So when I click add right now, you can see it now added a pointer in here, which you can move. Now, the outside door, for example, here is at the other side. When I click on move, I can move this and I can move the image around. Look at this. You see that? I can move that because I want to go outside, right? And you can scale this. You can do all different kind of things with this. And when I click on this and I click on go to, it's going to the outside door. Look at this. This is my car. This is my outside here. So what we want to do is we also want to create a pointer on the inside. Do you see that white pointer in the middle? That's where the pointer will come. So when I click on this plus, I can say I want to have the car inside. Look at this. This is my car on the inside. So I'm going to click on plus. And now we can go to the car on the inside. So I'm going to hit save. And now we go to the car inside. Let's go there. And boom, this is my car on the inside. That's cool, right? Now, one of the cool options with VRStudio, and this is a very, 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 very limited demo because you can do so many cool things with VRStudio. Because at the left side, you have point of interest. Now, you can also switch to point of interest here at the left top. When I do that, look what happens. I can add a point of interest here with this plus button. And here I can I can add all those points of interest. I can add single images. I could do a gallery. I could do a video, a 360 video, audio, link embed. So I can literally embed websites on top of my tour. And I'm going to show you a few examples. I can do Google Maps, etc. What I want to do now is I want to do a video. Let me see which one, a video embed. Where is that? The video, not the 360. I think it's the video here. Let's say I want to add a video. No, that's not the correct one. Let's delete this point. I want to do it differently. So let's save this one because I'm going to show you something real cool. You will definitely love this. So let's add another pointer here, right? So I'm going to do here. I'm not want to have an icon. I want to have an embedded video here. And then there's only one option, none. And look at this. What I can do now is I can drag this. Can you see that? I can drag these handles as big as I like to, but this is my screen in my car. Do you see that screen? So what I can do here is I can add a video. I can decide the size of the video in here. And now when I click on save, I can add a link on there. So let me grab a YouTube video here. I added some links. Let me see here. This is a home decoration, but it's just for demo purposes, okay? So when I click save here, look at this. This is now a video inside of my car. And when I click on it, I can say, I want to autoplay this video, and I want to have this muted, and I want to have this looped. Now look, when I do a preview of my car on the inside here, I can drag this. And by the way, you can decide where the start point is of this, but look at this. How cool does it look like? This is just a video playing inside of my car now. And you can even move it forward here. You can put the music on here. And look at this. This is awesome, isn't it? And you can do that anywhere in your house. So what I've done, I already created a complete tour of my house. But this is just to show you how quickly you can create a tour. Is when I preview my home tour. So this is the tour that I already created, so that you get an idea of what's possible as well. Oh, I already did this to show you that you can also add signups to your room. So when I want somebody to sign up before he enters my room, I'm going to say, okay, this is my email address and this is my phone, 78, and I'm going to click OK. And then probably now it's matching. Look at this. So this is the room that I created. Now, look at this. This is a slider, an image slider that I added to my mirror here. And this is a dog basket. This is my dog basket. Look what happens when I click on this. It's showing me that I can buy this dog basket here through my own house here. And of course, this needs to be added to a store, but it's just to show you some examples. Now, look at this. I added here a button, my website. When I click on this, look what happens. It's loading my website with all my product reviews. How cool is that? Another thing is, let me go to the television room. And before I do that, look at this here, 1.5 meters. Do you see that? You can add these things in your home. So when I go to my television room, look what's in here. This is my review. I can play this on I can play this here on my television. How cool does that look like, right? And I can go to my garden here. And from my garden here, look at this. I can go to my street view. So that's at the front of my house. Do you see that? And this is so super easy to do. I can go back to my hallway, and there I need to type a password. So you can also password protect pages. So this is 123, and boom, I'm in my house again. I can go to my living room. Now, one of the cool things that you also can do is you can create 3D views of your tours. And this is super easy. This looks very difficult to create, but basically what you do is you can add a new room and it will automatically add a block. I'm going to show you in a minute how to do that, but look at this. If you have multiple layers on your house, it will be on top here. So when I want to go to my living room here, I simply click on that and look, boom, it's already there again. Does that look awesome? How do you guys like it so far? Do you like what you see so far? Let me know in the chat. Just want to know.
You gets me excited.
Well, that's cool. Pretty sharp, Tim. Yes, it is. It's definitely. It's I'm so super excited about this software because the possibilities are huge. Now, another thing that you can do. Let's say you want to have a conversation. Let's say you are a coach, because you can use this software for so many purposes. Let's say you're a coach and this is your office. What you can do here in the tour is you can start a live session. When I do a live session, look what happens. I can share video and audio. I'm not going to do that right now because otherwise maybe GoToWebinar is messing up. But look here at the left side. What will happen is when I do this, I'm getting an invitation link that I can send to anyone else. Now, the cool thing is that not only I can share this link, but also your customers can share this link to other customers so they can join a session together and go through your home. But in case you're having coaching, you could do a 360 tour of your office, and then you can do coaching inside of your office. But if you're selling homes, for example, you can share a link to somebody else, and then the other people can join a session. They can talk to each other and go through the whole tour together and talk about the house or whatever they are looking at. It's very, very cool. So that's the next thing. So we have rooms, we have markers, we have point of interest, we have maps. So maps are basically what you see on top of a tour. I think I can show you that in another tour, but basically inside of a map, if we have the house view, let me see where that one is. I think it's in this one as well. Let me see if it's in here. So what you can do is you can create maps of a house here at the right side. Do you see that house? That is a map that you can create in the backend as well. So next thing is, this is one of the coolest things, the editor user interface. With the user interface editor, what you can do is you can decide whatever you want to show in your tour or whatnot. So let's say in this menu, I can decide that I want to pop out this menu by default. When somebody opens this tour, I can say, I want to have this visible opened, and then this menu automatically opens. And it keeps being open when the tour is being viewed. You can also say, I want to have this hidden. Nobody will ever see this menu. But I like to have this minimized, so we're going to keep it this way. Another thing that you can do here is look at this list. These are all the possibilities. So this live session, if you do not want to add live sessions to your tours, you can simply disable this, and now nobody is able to do a live session. You can also join meetings. I haven't showed you that, but that will open a meeting window at the left side. Very cool as well. But you can manage everything from here. Also at the bottom here, you can decide if you want to show this 3D view that I just showed you. Do you want to add the possibility for them to look at the 3D view, or do you want to have this hidden? You can choose that all from here. So you can do that minimized, or you can do that open. So if you do this opened, look what happens. Let's say I want to have this opened here. And let me see if I can do that. I think when I close my session now, and when I do a preview of my session here, it will automatically open the 3D view. Well, I'm not going to show you that because we don't have much time right now, but you need to trust me on that. When you open this, you can have this automatically open as a pop-up. Well, all the other blocks, so you could enable the VR here. You can enable the voice commands in here. Everything can be managed, even the font types in here. Do you see that? All the different font types. If you want to change colors, no problem. Simply click on it. And then in here, if you want to have the main color, let's say you want to have this red. If this matches your company, you make it red. And if you want to hover over it, you want to make it blue, look what happens. It's very small, I know, but you can change all the colors inside of your tour. It's very, very cool. All these options are available. Now, then the next thing, measurements. I already showed you a little bit about the measurements, where you can do measurements. So when you click on this plus button, you can simply do a measurement. Let's say you want to do a measurement here from there to there. You can change that in here. You can click on save, and you can set everything in here. You could do the label. You could set, let's say, 150 centimeters here. You can do that. You can change the colors in here. You can change the size here. You can change here how big it needs to be on the left and the right side. And look at this. Now when I go through my tour, how cool this looks. So super easy. You can add products. I already showed you the dog basket, right? You can add all of your products in here. info boxes is also very cool. When you start your tour, people can click on the boxes, on the info boxes, when they go through your tour. Let me open the tour in a new window in here. So this is my home tour. When I preview this, when I click on this box here at the left bottom here, look what happens. So now, do you see this is what I programmed? Now it starts with the 3D box. Do you see that? Boom. And now when I click on the info box, I can also put information about this home or about this car or about my coaching or wherever I'm going to use this software for. Super cool. One of the other things is that you can create presentations. I'm not going to show you that, but you can add presentations automatically in here by adding new rooms. So when I add a new room, I'm going to say, I want to add this room and a delay of 600 milliseconds. And I add this. All these rooms will be displayed automatically. When you preview on here, it will automatically display all your rooms automatically without having to click yourself. You can do the same thing for 360 video tours. You can create videos here. Look at this. This is a video that you can create from your tour. Simply click on tour, select your photos, set the duration between the slides, and click on generate, and it will generate this video for you. Now, another few cool options. Do I have a few more minutes, Greg?
Yeah, for sure. I'm really enjoying it.
Cool. So here, when we want to publish the tour, so we have a tour, and you can switch tours here. Look at these. These are all my tours. I can switch from one tour to another here very quickly in here. When I want to publish my tour, I click on publish here, tour, and look at this. These are the links. So when I click on this link, this is an ugly link. We always call this an ugly link, but we also have a friendly link in here. Do you see that? You can change this URL yourself in here. And then when you open this friendly link, look what happens. Boom. Now I need to choose which room I want to visit. So I don't want to have the room with the password. So I'm going to the outside here. Boom. Look at this. And this is the tour in my browser. Now, one of the cool things here is you can embed this on any website. You can take this code, you can embed this to any WordPress, to any click pages, click funnels, whatever funnel builder or website builder you're using. You simply take this code and you can embed this to any website. Another cool thing is this virtual reality. This is when you have virtual reality glasses. When you open this with your phone, for example, with a virtual reality glasses, do you see that black spot in the middle? You need to, when you move your hat and you go to the different points, look what happens. It's now going automatically, boom, to that part, to the garden. And when you move your hat to the other red one, look what happens. Boom, it's going to the street view here. And this way you can go through your whole tour with the virtual reality glasses on your hat. Super, super cool. Now, another thing that you can do is with your virtual tours, when I go to my list tours here, is that there is a download button here. So you can download the virtual tours to your computer and you can upload it to any domain. So if you have customers, you simply can upload this to their domain and you can run this whole tour on their domain as well. Super cool. Now, another thing that you can do with VRStudio is you can create landing pages. So in this landing page, you see 360 virtual tour in here. This will display the virtual tour and you can add maps. You can basically design it yourself. So let me remove this and let me remove this block in here because you can add your own block. So now it's empty, but I can say, for example, I want to have a video here at the bottom. So now with my tour, I have a video and then I want to add another block. I want to have 2 columns in here. And then in the first column, I want to add an image. And in the second column, for example, let me move my panel. In the second column, I want to have a text block, for example. Now, when you save this and you go to the bottom, you can create a friendly link again. And when you click on that friendly link, look what happens. It's going to load that tour for you on this page. You see that? And now it shows the video, it shows the text here, and this image will not be shown because this is a demo image. But when you upload your own image, you can create your own landing pages as well inside of VRStudio. Super, super cool. And if you don't want to use this landing page, simply take this iframe code and you can embed this on any website again. Other cool thing is the showcases. And after that, I'm going to show you 2 more things, is that you can create showcase pages as many as you like. So if you have different customers, you can click on create here I'm going to do webinar demo. I'm going to click on create. And now what you can do here is you can select all the virtual tours that you have in here. Let's say I want to add all these virtual tours to this page. Now I want to click save. Look what happens. I'm going to hit save here. I can create a friendly link again. When I open this here, now all my demos are on this single page. All the demos that I created are now on this page. And I can change the bar here at the top because I can design here. You see that I can change the name, can change the background. I can add a logo. I can add an image banner for my customers or for yourself. You can even upload your pictures when you're going to share this on social media. This picture will be shared as a preview. So this way you will be able to create landing pages as well. Now, the next thing is very cool. This one is one that I really like myself, is that you can create globes. Now, look at this globe here. So webinar demo, I'm gonna do this again. I'm gonna click on create. And what I can do in here is I can set positions. So when I click on the plus button in here, I can choose my tour. So let's say the art gallery, let's say this art gallery is in the United Kingdom. What I can do is I can click on create. This creates a little dot and I can move that here, this dot, to the United Kingdom. You see that? I can set that wherever I like. And if I want to add another tour, I simply select that tour. Let's say my Tim home tour, that needs to be in the Netherlands, of course. I'm going to move that to the Netherlands in here. And you can do that to the address. When you zoom in, you can do that to any address. Now, let me save this. And again, you can add meta tags and pictures again for sharing on social media. When I open this, look what happens. This is going to open a world globe for me. And these are the two tours. When I click on that, look, this is the art gallery. Look, this is my home tour. And when I click on this, let's go to the art gallery because we haven't seen this one. When I click on this icon, it's going to zoom in exactly. Boom, there is the art gallery. And when I click on play, it's going to show the art gallery for us. And look at this. You can create art galleries like this. When you click on an image, it will pop up the image for you. You can create sliders like you have in here. You can create, this one is GIF with the two fingers here. You can add your videos to the galleries. You see that? Super, super cool. And that can be done with the globes. And then in here, with the collected data, you can create forms that you can add to your pages as well. There's no time to show you that, but you can add sign-up pages to your tours as well. All your leads that have signed up, as you can see here, will be in here. So many possibilities. And I only showed you a few things. When you go to rooms, for example, here, for each single rooms, you can have different settings. So let's say my living room, my start shot, when somebody opens this, I can say, when somebody joins this room, this is my start shot. You can even zoom in and say, this is it. Do you want to have another thumbnail? You can click on thumbnail and you can decide whatever thumbnail you want to have in your tours at the bottom. It's so super cool. For each page content, you can add this. You can protect these pages. You could do multiple rooms where you can show you before and after. Remember what I said? You have the dashboard where you can see all of your tours, how many visits, etc., how many rooms you got, how many markers, how many visitors, so many things, too many to share, but I hope that you guys got a little bit excited about this demo. Greg, I'm going to hand it over back to you.
What an incredible demo that was. I mean, I've gone through the suite many times myself, but you, my friend, do give a great, great demo indeed.
Thanks, man.
Right. I'm going to make my, here we go. So thank you very, 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 very much. Now, we have many, many questions. We have many people just saying, I want to grab this, and we will get there. But we have just some short information because there is more to it than what you've just seen, okay? And I want to share just a couple of testimonials with you guys. It won't take very long at all. And then you'll see what other people who are experts in different industries who are actually utilizing this and their thoughts on it. Because I want to share this. So let's check out what Melody has to say. Can you all hear me? I want to make sure you can hear me firstly. And you can see my screen. Yes, yes, yes. Great, great, great. Well, I'll hit play then.
Hey guys, it's Mel from PLR of the Month Club. And I just wanted to shoot you this quick video about your new product, VRStudio. I have to admit, when you first told me about the new product, my first thought was, yeah, another video product. And after going through the product, after playing with VRStudio for a couple of days, I have to admit I was totally wrong on my first impression. This is a slick product. I don't think there's anything else out there like it. The name makes you think that basically it's going to be something that, you know, you're going to do rooms, it's going to be just for realtors, that kind of thing. VRStudio, and when you first log in, it does talk about creating rooms and going through virtual tours. But that's like just the surface of the product. I am so impressed with all the features that you have added into it, including one that I have never seen before, which is being able to have virtual meetings with people and take your attendees at your virtual meeting through the virtual tour. Now, at first, when you stop and look at this, again, you're kind of thinking real estate, but then you look at all the other features that you have. You can add a store, you can highlight products within the video, hotspots, you know, all these different things added together creates a product that is unbelievable in its applications. I spent almost 15 years in the hotel and casino industry, and I spent so much time walking people through our property, showing, you know, the meeting rooms, the convention center, and that sort of thing. And can you imagine if you've got a couple, for example, that wants to come to Las Vegas to get married, they live in New York, and you are now able to have a live meeting with these people and show them your property through a virtual reality video and still be able to converse with them just like this on Zoom right now. And that's just a minor thing. I mean, it could be meeting planners, hotel and casinos, Airbnb owners, and actually store and shop owners. You can highlight products that you have on sale, take the customer on a virtual sale and create the hotspots to show, you know, highlight special products and your special features. And the list of ideas that I came up with goes on and on and on. Kudos to both of you guys. This is an amazing product. And probably my description makes it sound complicated. It's not, because the virtual wizard that walks you through step by step on how to create your first video is phenomenal. There's no questions left unanswered. It literally holds your hand and prompts you to go from step to step to create your video. So you guys have thought of everything. I'm really impressed with this product, and kudos. VRStudio has knocked that out of the ballpark again. Thanks, guys.
Haha, wonderful video from Melody there. And I'm going to share one, just a quick one from Carl, and hit play now.
Virtual tours, virtual reality tours, has been around for a while, but it's getting more and more popular, and soon everyone who makes business online or even offline will need, or moving online, will need this kind of tool for their business to present it to virtual customers, to online. And there are some programs already out there, but VRStudio by Virus and Tim is one of the best I've seen. And it's also based on a script which has been constantly developed for more than 2 years. So you can be confident that this is proven, it will work, and it also has a wizard which will make it easy even for a child to create the first virtual tours. So get VRStudio when it's available, and get it while it's available for the best possible price. I can really recommend VRStudio by Virus and Tim. Thank you. Bye.
Great videos from those two lovely people, and they make some very, very valid points indeed. So, can you guys see my next screen? Can I get a 1 in the box, please? Just want to make sure that you can all see my next screen. Yes, thank you. You guys are so fired up. It really does make me happy to see. You are absolutely crushing it. So, as you can see, it's a sophisticated technology on the inside that people can't see because we've made it so easy to use within our tour suite, okay? So in the background, it's been in development for over 2 years now, okay, with a full team working behind to create this. So the hard work has gone into it, so you don't have to actually put so many more times, hours and effort and figure things out. Like, it is very, very well planned out, so you guys get to use it as easily as possible when you log inside. And it ensures that your tours are 100% ahead of the game and 100% worthy of not only just using for your own businesses, but like I keep stressing, because I know it's a big money maker for everyone, that's what excites me the most, but selling to other people too. And that is exactly what our goal has been in mind for so long now. Now, this is a limited time launch, okay? And the special deal that you're seeing right now today, we're gifting you the chance to get the entire VRStudio bundle, the offer with all the upgrades for a huge 62% discount on the regular price today, okay? And this is a really, really time-sensitive special offer. Now, although you've just experienced a whole heap of awesomeness in the demo, that is just one part to this amazing opportunity that lies ahead of all of you. So inside the whole bundle, we've crafted some amazing beneficial additions to help you move forwards with this opportunity at lightning speed, my friends. And we're gifting you the chance to evolve your business or even create a new one. This is what I keep saying, because I truly believe that you guys, when you take action today, are going to crush it. Now, these are a total package which is included in this offer. So everything you see is all in an offer. It isn't additional things. There is a funnel that we've crafted where people can get one by one, but obviously that's going to be way more expensive, which I will explain more. But this is a bundle, an actual bundle. So everything you see is included, okay? So we have bundle edition 1, which is the pro features package, okay? And this is what it is. So we have the live sessions where you can basically invite people to join your shared tour with video and audio, with the calls and chats, with the incredible built-in meeting features. Also the built-in shop that we have where you can view the products and sell them directly for and from the virtual tour to customers, with custom branding so you can upload your own logo and export your tours into your own hosting and domains. With tour security, like Tim showed you, where you can set password protection on the tours and expiring date to publish your tour. With messenger features, with built-in Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp chat. Also a presentation builder, which is a new way to present tours, creating with your own storytelling. Exciting. It's unlimited everything, which means that you get this as well. VRStudio Max, unlimited true VR video and panoramas, unlimited embeds, unlimited views, max delivery speed through global CDN networks, okay, and automatic updates for all upcoming new features. Exciting stuff, right? It means that moving forwards, we're going to be developing this. We aren't just going to leave this by the wayside. We are not those kind of people. We support our products and we push very, very hard to evolve them well into the future. So not only you guys are looked after, but we have something to get in our teeth to and keep ahead of the pack. Also, we have the Pro Max features package, which is unlimited VR panoramas, the embeds, the views, etc., etc., etc. So we have the bundle edition 3, which is the VRStudio marketing, built-in virtual tour share landing page builder. Our inbuilt landing page builder features allow you to design beautiful pages and publish your tours. So you can view all your virtual tours in the world map, view your tours all over. Also, your virtual tours in a single page, and you can build in lead forms, so you can also collect customer data, okay? We also have the 5-in-1 software with a commercial license as well, which is unlimited video hosting. So you have a lightning fast cloud-based video hosting and marketing platform that will host, stream, and market your videos and skyrocket your profits, okay? You can upload and share unlimited videos without any limitation. Now, we all know how important that is as we grow our businesses, to not only have this to help our business out, but to save money on subscriptions as well. We also have included in this the webinar creator app, so you can get instant access to the world's first AI cloud-based platform that creates limitless conferences, meetings, and webinar hosting. We've done for you content which is pre-recorded streams and more, so you get real-time video and audio communication with file sharing, screen sharing, podcast, whiteboard, and live P2P and group chat messaging. Also, inside there, we also have a graphic designer app. So it's the world's first new cloud-based technology that creates and sells unlimited jaw-dropping designs with video, logos, and banners in any niche at the push of a button. So you basically can create and sell unlimited high-converting graphics and videos to your clients with this commercial license as well. As you can see, we're helping bring the value to you guys so you can make more from this within your venture. Also inside it, the Cartoon Maker, which is the first, excuse me, the world's first AI-based 3D cartoon character generator platform to not just create and sell stunning videos in any niche in 30 seconds, but we also have the music creation tool as well, which is a music composer and mixer platform. These are included inside this bundle, okay? We have the Dump You agency package. Now, this is where it gets even more exciting, because all the way through this, I've stressed just how much money is on the table for people to make with an agency style business revolving around this. You can sell your virtual tours to your local clients, obviously, and we set up your VRStudio agency business for you. We have done for you websites for selling the tours. It's a complete website with logos and demo tours, including unlimited video hosting. Like we say, all you need to do is provide us a domain name and the marketing creatives like banners, email templates, and ad creators, which I will go into. We also have a client management and billing software within there, and service booking software, so you can have your leads make bookings with ease. Can you see how important this is moving forward? It's going to get a woohoo in the box just to obviously get on the same page. I want to know that you guys actually see the value in all of this. Craig straight away came in with a woohoo. We have Cy, woohoo, Thor, woohoo, John, Douglas, Pete, woo friggity hoo. Wow, so it's great. So you can see everything is designed to help you guys. We put our heart and soul into this to ensure that you guys get the most value out of this bundle. And as you see, the values are true values. In fact, we've lowballed it. They are very, very much premium products and services to help you all out. And I'm so glad you all say woohoo, and you think it's so great, because we do too. Like I say, we put our heart and soul into this. So with a swipe and deploy system for you to log in and get going quickly, and most importantly, easily. Now, I know you guys are so excited to go ahead and grab this, but now you fully understand why I was so excited to show you even more before you make this decision on joining us, because there is so much to help you out to make a fully fledged business or enhance the one that you already have. And check this out, okay? So we have also the Done For You agency package additions. The items included are, we have here, my friends, ad creatives made for you. And the value is 197 on that. We also have a billing and service booking app. The value is 197 on that as well. And I assure you, you will enjoy this very, very much. Like I say, a lot of time, thought, and effort's gone into that. We also have sellers' website templates. Included 100 stunning and high converting done for you sales pages to help you sell your VRStudio service. So we've actually done the hard work for you. We've minimized the time that you need to get set up, hit the ground running, and obviously start making those sales as an actual business owner of something that is so big in this realm, and it's only growing. And like I say, the pandemic pushed this even further. So the pandemic was a very sad time for all, but it has helped us in various different ways online as well. We also have the video sales letter script creator, and this creates captivating VSLs. You can make the most of Infinity AI to get sales video scripts or sales video letters for your campaigns to be created without any of the hurdles. All you need to do is answer some basic questions and you are good to go. How cool is that? We also, along with a Facebook, Instagram, and Google ad creator, so that you can create profitable and converting ads. You don't have to work on your own or get it done by hiring an ad professional anymore. We've done it for you. Just answer some questions like the previous time I told you, and your killer ad content will be ready to rock in no time. We're not done yet, of course not. And also our email campaign creator system, which turns readers into paying customers, along with direct and blind email campaigns, meaning that we hit everyone everywhere as easily as possible. We've absolutely put, like I say, our heart and soul into this, so you can let this module work for you in your favor by helping you create awesome cold email campaign scripts as well. You do nothing, you just answer a few easy questions. This is all included in the bundle, and the best part, we will manage the complete customer support. We made everything simple and easy for you. Like I say, well thought out. And our dedicated customer service executives are always available to give excellent support, manage product delivery, and provide the training as well. And by doing this, you don't have to do anything. Just sell this mind-blowing piece of technology to the hungry audiences out there and get paid, which is the most important thing for us all, right? We all want you to be making that money. So let's recap. We have the professional agency websites, we have client management and billing software, booking softwares, the sales content for you, the marketing advertisement content to help you get selling ASAP, expert crafted sales videos to convert prospects into sales, and a highly optimized follow-up sequence to boost sales. There's nothing to upload, host, or configure at your end. We also have dedicated support for your clients, zero prior tech or marketing skills needed. Like we've said, 30 days, risk-free money-back guarantee as well, because we put our trust into the product and know that you guys are going to love this. So we also have the reseller package, which is the value of 97. So you can borrow our sales pages on this. So you not just selling, but you can actually help sell VRStudio to make even more money. So you can borrow our sales pages, the funnel and branding. You can keep 100% of the profits for every sale that you make. You build your list, you add your face and your logo, and you enjoy being an official reseller of this amazing platform. You can resell to unlimited clients. You can get 100% commissions. Whoever does that? Nobody, but we do. You can also use our high converting sales pages, the videos, and the funnel. Also 24/7 dedicated support for your customers with no technical expertise or marketing experience required. How cool is that? And also, it is a high in demand product that sells like hotcakes. I showed you the facts earlier and exactly how beneficial it is. And over 5 million people per day actually view VR 360-degree tours per day. That is incredible. Now, it's so easy to get your investment back and more in just one sale of this. And there's one-time pricing. So it's no monthly cost or hidden charges. And as you can see, we've gone above and beyond to make sure that you are all so very, 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 very happy. So this is a special launch only. And it's not going to be $939, which would be the price if you purchase them all individually. We thought we have to go cheaper than that. It's not going to be $609 like we planned, because it's a premium product, as you will all see, which is the price if you purchase them in a special bundle deal discounted this week. Can I get a heck yes in the box if you want me to reveal the price right now, my friends? I want a heck yes in the box. Heck yes. McKenna's straight in the heck yes. Heck. You guys are so quick at typing. It is unreal. Thank you. Like I say, everyone engaging with us. I am so glad that you are all on board, because it's not going to be $609 like we planned. Right now, it's going to be $269 for this whole package. Everything you've just seen is only $269. But my friends, we wanted to, Craig says, wow, amazing. The only thing that we wanted to do to help you even more, with a special coupon, only active for this time limited offer, we're giving you an additional $30 off, because you're the first people in the door. You guys are the first people who have seen this opportunity right now. No one else has seen this. Making it only $237 by using the coupon code VRStudio Bundle. Now, Faraz is going to be putting this into the group, I am sure. I want to make sure that it is obviously there for the chat. Bear with me, folks.
Craig, I dropped the link actually.
There we go. Perfect. Thank you. So yeah, get over to the link. VRStudio Bundle is $30 off, sorry, for the bundle, okay, which is an incredible offer with everything that you've just seen in there. Now, moving forwards, when you go over there, just keep listening. I am going to keep talking, but head over there now and grab that, because after this launch special, the price will rise to $397 with the coupon removed. So the time tax is now, because this is a fast action takers bonus for you guys, and it'll only last for 1 week, like I say. Then it's going to be removed for good. It's going up in price for what, and that's just for 1 week. So this is a limited launch coupon, meaning only 50 people can use the coupon before it expires. So 50 of you now, and there are way more than 50 people on this call, I assure you, need to take action. So go and visit the link in the chat right now before they all go. And the coupon code is in the chat as well. Get clicking on there. Oh, sorry, I actually, bear with me 1 sec. I actually put inside, bear with me. It is, sorry, it's 269 after the coupon, okay? I wanted you to all be aware of that. I didn't want you to all just think it's 267. I actually gave it as 267 after the coupon. So the bit of the slide came in before that. But as you see, it's 267 with the $30 coupon. So go take action, my friends. Yeah, I messed up on the pricing there. 267 after the 30. Apologies about that. But just to give you even more incredible value, you're also getting the following bonuses worth a whopping $788, which is VRStudio bundle, remember, with a coupon. Go there now, grab it. But while I'm talking, you need to take that action. Let's see how many coupons have been used so far. Are you there for us? What's the latest?
I'm here and they're going so fast. I see the chat box. I've been here all along. And we've got still 29 spots. So the coupons, I think, yeah, it's 21 coupons that have been used within the past 3 minutes, which is crazy. and it's going, like, things are blowing up on my end. Yeah. So guys, oh, Peter is saying, I got mine. Congratulations, Peter. And be like Peter, just let me know your name in the chat box. Once you get it, just either tell me you got it, you're in, or share the JVZoo transaction. Okay. Now, obviously, Craig did mention in the beginning, we're gonna make 3 people win the front end copy, not the bundle. Okay, the front end, but you can use the price of the front end. So say you buy the bundle, we'll actually refund you the price of the front end that you want, right? So say you bought it for $297, after the $30 discount, it's $267 the bundle, and you win a copy of the front end, we'll refund you and I'll pay you directly right now on the live webinar through your PayPal, okay? The actual amount, I think it's $44 for the front end, okay? Lakisha is saying, I got mine. Peter is saying, I got mine. Peter is saying, 3D panoramic video. Oh my God, it's blowing up over here, guys. 1 second. Okay. Matthew is saying, I got mine. I think you're Todd. Okay, Todd. I'm in, guys. This is a sick deal. Congratulations. Who else? Architectural soft grace 3D panoramic video images. Peter, like we suggested in the chat box, you can actually go with your iPhone. It has a panoramic. Like if you go to the camera, there's panoramic. Now, if you want to upgrade like Tim does, Tim loves gadgets. I know him, okay? And he upgraded to the, I think it's the Insta360, something like that, the camera, yeah? That's what he did. But you can use your phone, you know what I mean? David is saying, is the price, it's still $267 after the $30 discount. So it's basically $297, and we're giving a special on this webinar, $30 off, okay? No one after this webinar is going to get this deal. And once the coupon, all the 50 spots end, basically when you try to check out, the coupon is not going to work, okay? That's what I'm saying right here. So go grab this coupon and grab your spots right away, because once they're gone, the coupon is not going to work. Craig?
Yeah.
Okay, someone is saying, is there a training? Obviously, there's a training video. We don't expect you to know it all, right? There's training video, there's support. We're right here. We're, December and January is a big month for VRStudio because we're taking it obviously recurring, and we're doing a lot of ads as well outside, this. So basically you're grandfathered into this. Ed is saying, for the 5-in-1 tool with webinar, can the webinar software work as the live webinar or recorded webinar as well? Craig, I think you can elaborate on the ad question. Cam is saying, I got it. Congratulations, Cam.
Where's the question? Sorry, I'm just trying to find it. The chat box is live.
Yeah, it's blowing up. It's the 5-in-1 tool with webinar. Can the webinar software work as live webinar or recorded webinar as well? Which is Ed.
I believe it's both. We'll have to speak to our team just to ensure that, because let me confirm. We'll come back to that and answer that question. I don't want to give the wrong answer.
Cool. And as you're looking for that, okay, James Ebert is saying transaction ID, I got in. Okay, congratulations, James. Congratulations, everybody. I think I'm gonna check. Sheldon is saying, I got in. Congratulations. Oh my God, the chat is blowing up today. 1 second, let me check here. Give me a second. Can I get the link? Shane is saying, can I get the link? Please look at the chat box below, but I'm gonna send it privately to you as well. So this is the Shane. Okay, Shane, this is the actual link, and this is the actual coupon code, which is VRStudio bundle. 1 second, it's right here. Giesgert is saying, I got in. Congratulations, mate. Give me 1 second. I'm checking. It's blowing up.
Yeah, you replied to that. But well done, everyone, for taking action. Very, very wise, smart move. I'm so impressed with not just how engaged you are, but how much of you take action. And that is the one thing that we all need to do. Ed just says, I got in. Another Ed just said, wow. There's two Eds. Yeah, thank you for everyone who has put their faith into the tool, in their faith into us, because it means a lot to us. And we are here 110% for you guys. We will look after you. Like I say, this software is maintained. It's not something that's just falling by the wayside. We have products that have been around for a considerable amount of time now. Just because this is new, it doesn't mean to say that that's just it, that's forgotten, because we want to dominate the industry with this. So you are on the right team, my friends. Lakeisha says this is a powerful software. Yeah, definitely is. And all the additions, remember, it isn't just for your own business, it's also you can sell to other businesses. How cool is that? Craig says this is an amazing tool. Thank you to everyone. Your kind words mean a heck of a lot, and obviously putting your faith and trust into us. So while Faraz is sorting that out, I'm going to actually go into this a little bit more, because we always like to over-deliver. We are renowned for over-delivering. So can you see the next slide on my screen with a bonus? It says bonus. Can you see bonus? Yes. Sai says yes. John says yes. Frank says, I think I could sell these for $500 per property. Cha-ching! Double your money right away, right? Yes, you can all see this. Great. So I'm going to jump into this. So we also have CopyMate, the value of $297. This is a bonus. So it's a brand new cloud AI copyright that creates high converting marketing content, like sales letters and PSL scripts, email swipes, blog posts, and more. We also have the Storecom. It's the world's first AI-powered software that lets you create and launch your very own e-com online store in just a few mouse clicks. It allows you to host and launch an e-com store on your own domain and add hundreds of products and start selling from the very first day. Think about it, stacking the value or what, guys? We also have Prime Web, and it's a website builder with 1,000+ done-for-you templates and a live editor. Basically, get going and make more money, offer more services, use it for yourself. Also, an unlimited SEO app, and the tool's designed to help skyrocket your website in the Google rankings for traffic. So if you're struggling to get traffic you need, then this tool is a must. We also have a fast action takers bonus for webinar attendees right now. And don't forget to use the coupon code VRStudio bundle to get that $30 off. So that brings it down to $267. A big win for everyone, right? So we have Movie Vault, which is the premium bonus, and this is only for people on the webinar. So if you come back later, I'm sorry, you'll be out of luck, because this is for everyone who took action on this call, okay? So the value is $300 for Movie Vault, and it's the first industry 3-click app that creates completely automated movie and TV show affiliate websites in 60 seconds flat. So 3-click, and it instantly loads the website with trending 1 million+ movies and shows in 250 categories, automatically embedding your affiliate link into the website. So you get paid instantly. We have another premium bonus, which is Novel Pro, and it's a one-click app, that creates automated bestseller quality novels and ebooks, comics and magazine websites in less than 60 seconds. These are all premium bonuses, as you can see. We also have the Pro stock, and you get the front end, the Pro, and the reseller on this. So you get unlimited, unrestricted access to the world's largest cloud-based, one-click searchable platform with 50 million+ royalty-free stock images, videos, GIFs, animations, memes, and audio tracks for a one-time price. So you guys have already bought, and you've already seen the massive value. There is even more. So well done. Everyone who purchases on this call will get these bonuses. So if you purchase before, you're in. If you purchase them now, you're in. If you come back later, you will miss the premium bonuses, but get the normal bonuses, okay? So take action now, because I don't want anyone to miss out. We also have Bid Primo, which is a lightning-fast cloud-based video marketing and hosting platform that will host and stream and market your videos and help skyrocket your profits, my friends. And we also have the Webinar Creator, which is the front end, the Pro, and the reseller. So you can build basically web conference softwares. You can build a web conference in the software that allows you to run multiple webinars and meetings, generating you leads, business connections, and multiply your profits today. and priceless. We're going to be giving you some amazing 360-degree bonuses. So if you have digital assets, you can actually set them up within these panoramic settings as well. So you can sell your digital assets in various settings, and not just, obviously, you don't have to use your own home. You can actually use these as well to help you out. Pretty cool stuff, right? And that is a mega, 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 mega bonus. So visit the link we provided in the chat right now, and don't forget to use the coupon code. And that will give you a $30 discount on the bundle, which brings it to $267, my friends. So,
Great. So
how many?
I want to update you on that. Yeah, it's so funny. So we were at 31, now we're on 13. So it's like the 3-1 flipped. There's only 13 spots left with the coupon code, and things are flying over here. I see a lot of people getting in. I see a lot of the chat box is just blowing up as well. So many people are just happy. John is saying this is too good. Lakeisha is saying thank you, gentlemen. Nancy, I responded to you. 1 second. I'm so happy. Like Keisha is saying, I'm so happy I purchased this for the bonuses alone. Who else? Talk about value stacking. Lol, nice. Complete business package for $267. Craig, yes, it's crazy. It's crazy, guys. You know, just the value of this product and what we've built in the past 18 months is just out of this world. And I see a lot of people that are shy on the webinar. Like I see usually people that are not attentive on the webinar means they're trying to check out, right? Maurice is saying, Craig, Maurice is saying, can you go over the bonuses again? Craig? Oh, I can't hear Craig right now, but he'll be in here in a second. Let me message him.
My microphone, so we didn't overlap. Yeah, we can go over the bonuses. We've only got a few more slides on the presentation, then I can visit them if you like after that, so everyone can just see the end of the webinar, and then we revisit the bonuses. I think that's the best way.
Now, I'm going to give 3 names that actually won the front end and the most engaged, which is between 2 on this webinar. They were crazy engaged on this webinar. You're going to win $100 actually being on the webinar and being engaged. So anyways, the 3 copies, one is going to go to Craig McIntosh, the front end. Okay. So let's put that here. Craig, I think this is your email. It starts with Craig _. Okay. I got that one. Let me see. Okay. I got that one. The next one is going to be John. I think it's John. 1 second. Then John Goodman. Yeah. That's the second one. And that's the second one right here. Oh, John is actually a Host Legends customer. Okay. Cool. And who else? Ed. Okay, Ed. I can't say pronounce the family name really good. Nugid, I think. So it's okay. It's Immaculate. I'm not gonna continue the email address, but you got the point. So these 3, congratulations. You got the front end, John, the front end. Okay, so just the front end license, you got that for free. Not the bundle, obviously. How to claim, we're going to create your accounts and you're going to get an email with it. Okay, now, who won the $100? It's between 2. Okay, and it's been crazy over here, but let me go through it again. Okay, the one that won the $100 is Craig McIntosh. Okay, you've been insane on the actual live chat here since the beginning, and you won $100. And yeah, I'm gonna give you the $100. Just send me. Is it the same email you're using with the webinar so I can actually log into PayPal and pay you right now? Yeah, no problem, Ed. No problem. It's part of the fun fact, right? But I need your email address, Craig, so I can pay you right on the webinar right now. Okay, got it. So let me just log in here and pay that. Just confirm once you get the payment. 1 second. Okay. Send. I'm going to send it as friends and family so you don't lose any fees. Oh, Patricia Johnson is saying, I am in. Congratulations, Patricia. 1 second. I'm trying to pay Craig here. the lucky one on this webinar. Oh, 1 second. Okay.
Yeah, congratulations everyone, and thank you for taking part in this. And if you haven't grabbed it yet, please do take action, because those coupons will go, I guarantee it. And when they're gone, they are gone. And this is the only the scary thing for me, because I want everyone to get that opportunity. So get taking action right now.
Okay,
While
and
you're doing that, for
just
slides, and I'll
sorry, just do you want to go through the bonuses again?
Yeah, I'll be doing that right, like just in the next couple of minutes. I'm just going to hit another couple of slides and then move forward from that. So do not forget as well, for those of you who believe that it might be tricky, I want to answer this question because we're making your life easier. Because once you do log in, our setup wizard gets to work allowing you to set up your first tour, basically without needing to watch hours of video tutorials. And we can agree, all of us, time is money. So saving hours of learning is a big help to get you to where you need to go as quickly as possible. You actually, there's a setup wizard inside there when you first log in.
Craig, sorry to cut you off. I apologize. I just want to confirm with Craig. I sent you the payment, Craig. Just confirm that you got it. Okay?
Type
yes.
it to him, mate.
Okay, he got it. Perfect. Congrats. Go ahead.
Yeah, we're making your life even easier, okay, folks? Now, with VRStudio in your corner, you can win the video marketing battle once and for all, allowing you to do many things like beat your competitors and reach a broader market, connect with widely scattered customers with no physical presence, create a captivating online visual experience with no hassle, and obviously increase engagement and conversions from today onwards. And how many of you taken action, and I'm so super proud of you all for sticking to the end with us. It's very exciting for me to share this and the team, and obviously a lot of work has gone into this to allow you to win with these things. So, oh, I actually clicked the wrong thing there, my bad. I actually went back. But you can finally build a profitable business in a hot niche that's only going to grow and grow and grow. So you need to take the action right now and go to the link that we provided inside the chat. Now I am gonna share my screen. Can you guys see my screen? There we go. Can you see my screen still? Has it changed the slide? Yes, thank you. Thank you for that. So I want to thank you all for joining us on this webinar. We will actually show the bonuses now. But well done for staying to the end. Like I say, don't forget to go to the link in the chat, because that's the most important thing to actually get you guys on the road to success. Now I'm going to jump back up, because obviously people want to see the bonuses, and there is a lot of bonuses, I'm sure we will all agree. So I've just paused the screen. And the bonuses, so you want to see the bonuses again, which we have plenty of, if you remember. Bear with me, because obviously I had to go all the way back up into the slides. So can you see my screen saying bonus number 1, copy mate?
Not yet, no.
There we go. How about now?
Yes, yes, we do.
Great, thank you. So bonus number 1 is CopyMate, which is basically a brand new cloud AI copywriter that creates high converting marketing content. So this will help you with your campaigns, from sales letters to video sales letters, scripts, email swipes, blog posts, and way, way more in just 3 simple steps, okay? Bonus number 2 is StoreCom, which is an AI-powered software that lets you create and launch your very own e-com online store in just a few mouse clicks. And it allows you to host and launch an e-com store on your own domain, and you're adding hundreds of products, as many as you like or as few as you like, to start selling them from the very first day. We've built everything out to help you as much as possible, right? As you can see. We also have the third one, which is Prime Web, which is a next level website builder with over 1,000 done for you templates and a live editor, so you can edit them to however you like and make more profits by offering this as a service as well, right? Bonus number 4 is the SEO app, which is to help you with your rankings, get you up there and get more traffic. And that is imperative, right? So it's actually going to help you bring in the customers as well. So we do have the Fast Action Takers bonuses for everyone attending right now, which is Movie Vault. which is worth $300. And it's a 3-click app that creates automated movie and TV show affiliate websites in seconds. That's 3 clicks and it loads the website with trending 1 million plus movies and TV shows in 250 plus categories. Automatically embed them with your affiliate link to the website and get paid instantly. Cha-ching! Lovely bonuses. Obviously, these are designed to help you as much as possible. Also, Novel Pro, which helps you actually create novels, ebooks, comics, and magazine websites in less than 60 seconds. And then we have Pro Stock. You get unlimited, unrestricted access to the world's largest cloud-based, one-click searchable platform with 50 million plus royalty-free stock images, videos, GIFs, animations, memes, audio tracks, and it's all for a one-time price usually. But for you, it is for free. And also VidPrimo, which is a cloud-based video marketing and hosting platform that's going to host and stream and market your videos to help you skyrocket your profits. We also have the Webinar Creator, which, as it says here, brand new incredible web conferencing software that allows you to run multiple webinars and meetings, generating leads, business connections, and multiply your profits today. And this one, it's some amazing 360-degree bonuses where you can actually have 500 plus panoramic settings. So you can sell your digital assets in various settings. From the get-go, you can actually access, we're putting this together, but when we get this over to you, it will actually help you access everything that you need to be able to actually have your own rooms and stuff that you can use rather than having to use your home or something like that, or an office. We can actually help assist in that way. And we think this is a priceless asset for your business. I just wanted to read the chat just to make sure that everyone's good. Love it, says Craig. Do those bonuses get you as excited as the product? Because they are very, 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 very helpful, very, very high value. And obviously they help as much as possible with your business, marketing, and ventures. So, is there any questions for our experts? I'm sure we've done our best to answer them through this presentation, but obviously if there are any questions, we're more than happy to help.
Yeah, Craig. So I see a lot. So like Keisha's saying, when we sell to clients, what features will they have? They're gonna get the front end commercial. Obviously, they're not gonna get the deal you got, right? The bundle. Where can we access all the bonuses on the thank you page? It's right in the members area, Todd. I see a lot of people that are still unattentive. Now, usually when we're on a webinar, we like everybody to express themselves. So, obviously if you're stay till the end, that means you're interested and you got questions or there's something, right? So I see, I'm going to name the names, but without the family names, just so, for privacy. But I see Rashad, Ranan, Sandra, wake up guys, come on. Sebastian, Stephen, Tamas, I see Tim, Wadavan, oh, so many names right here. Thomas, yeah, Sandra, Phil, Peter, Paul, Patrick, Patricia. Patricia is actually in already. She already got in. Okay, Nioki, I think. Netrive, Netrive. Okay, Nancy, Maxwell has been engaged actually. Maurice, who else? Markham or Raymond, Matthew, Lowell has been engaged. Karen, Cam Wong. Who else? How can you incorporate VRStudio with Web3 and Meta? I mean, that's where you can actually incorporate VRStudio. Peter is saying, if I can't do actual virtual rooms, not phone for this would not work for me since my designs are not built until after I do the design. Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, I understood your point actually. Makes complete sense. 1 second. So you actually create the designs first and then you place them there. But obviously that's part of business, right? So you create the design when it comes to real estate or interior design, and then you place them on a virtual interactive video, right? Maxwell is saying, how do I get the panoramic backgrounds? Just your phone, Maxwell. Just go on your phone. If you got an iPhone, just go on your iPhone camera and just pick panoramic option. There's multiple options. Like there's video and there's etc. There's panorama as well. Will there be an option for clients to upgrade inside of their banner? Yes, like you said, they can. They can, 100%. We always keep that option because we know they want to upgrade, right? John is saying surveys. Yeah, John, what about surveys? Tim is saying, for clients without a specialty, and do we have them access an app? You can have them access an app for sure, on their phone. There's multiple apps, on Google Store and iPhone App Store, right? Free backgrounds. There is backgrounds. There's loads of backgrounds inside the app. Actually, Maxwell, when Tim Verdau demonstrated the whole demo, he showed all the different features and backgrounds, etc. Do we use?
You're also going to get the free backgrounds.
Yeah, exactly.
You're also going to get a lot of backgrounds. That's part of one of the bonuses.
Correct. And Maxwell is saying, is there a use case for exhibition booth? Okay, so now I'm gonna update, guys, because we actually got to go in like 4 minutes. Okay, we got 4 minutes. I'm gonna count how many coupons have been used so far and how many we still got left. Just give me a second so I go into the system. Okay, so 47 coupon codes have been used. There's still 3 spots left with the coupon. If the coupon doesn't work at checkout, so you try to check out and the coupon doesn't apply, that means all the spots are gone, okay? That's it, that we limited it to 50 spots, obviously, because we can't give that deal to everybody. Otherwise, it doesn't make sense to us. But this is a grandfather deal to our VIP customers that came on the live pre-launch webinar for the reveal of VRStudio. So whoever gets in right now, we got 3 minutes left on here. Do let us know in the chat box. Anything else, Craig, you wanted to showcase on your slides? Just so I know.
No, we've covered everything.
Okay, Craig McIntosh is saying, keep a coupon for me. So usually we do that sometimes. I'm gonna reserve a seat for you. Just a second. 1 sec. Okay, so given I reserved a seat to Craig McIntosh, we still got 2 spots left with the coupon code. And all the bonuses, obviously. No one is gonna get those bonuses anywhere else as well. Craig, okay, Craig, no problem. Yeah, you can talk to me. Actually, I can send you the $44 right now. If you check out right now, I'll send you the $44 for the front end that you want. No problem. Okay. Thor is saying VRC coupon code is only doing. Let me check that, Thor. I mean, Thor is one of our good customers. I realized Thor because he has a unique name. 1 second. Checking this for you. Just give me a sec. Okay, I purchased the bundle. No, don't worry. If you purchase the bundle, that's it, okay? Just let me see your email because I can't see your actual name right here. Message me right on my personal email right here. And, Mike, okay. Mike, I'm sending you my personal email. Just hit me up right there and we'll look into it. But you should have access with your purchase, okay? Peter is saying thanks. 3D printer from somewhere else. No problem. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I got your email, Mike, and I sent you my email as well. Craig, John is saying you mentioned surveys as well while you went through the slides, right?
I believe I did. I can't remember ever mentioning surveys.
Yeah, exactly. I was wondering as well because we never mentioned surveys. I mean, what do you mean, John, by surveys for VRStudio? Just I need to get that fact straight. And yeah, she doesn't. Yeah, Todd doesn't remember that either. I mean, I don't remember that.
I just searched in the text and it doesn't say anything about survey.
Okay, Thor, the coupon should work for you, okay, for the front end. So you can try that right now, okay? Who else? Well, we see there's loads of people still on the webinar. We must go. I mean, Tim and Craig, you can leave, obviously, because you know what we got right now. And I'll stay here for a couple minutes. Craig McIntosh is saying he got in. Okay, congratulations, Craig. I'm gonna send you the $44 right now, just so that I make sure it's done. Because things, when they accumulate, you tend to forget them, right? 1 second. So that's Craig again.
Yeah, I'm going to jump off. I'd like to thank everyone for attending today, spending some time with myself, obviously Braz and Tim and the team. I just wanted to say a farewell and thank you to everyone for attending. If you haven't taken action, take action. And if you have, congratulations. You've made a very, very, very wise move. So thank you, everyone. It's been a pleasure to meet you all. Pleasure to converse with you, engage with you. And yeah, I'll speak to you all very, very soon, I hope.
Perfect. Thank you. Thank you, Craig. Okay, perfect. So Craig is gone. I mean, we got a lot of stuff going on today. Craig McIntosh, you got the $44. Okay, so that's sorted as well on my end right here. You should, yeah. And Thor is saying I just got in. Perfect. Congratulations, Thor. We still got here one more. I think one more code. 1 second. Let me look. Zero codes. Zero codes. But I think now that Craig and Tim are not on the webinar, just let me see. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. They're gone. That's good. Okay. Because there's no way the team is going to give out another spots on the regards to VRStudio. Okay. No way. But I'm usually, better in negotiations, and I'm gonna give 5 more spots myself, given that Craig and Tim are not here. They're not hearing me right now. I'm taking advantage. I'm gonna give 5 more spots, and then I'm gonna head out in like 2-3 minutes tops. Okay. Yes, Craig, you got the refund. Yes, yes. I told you we're pretty fast, Craig. You're dealing with pros right here. Is there an updated link for Storecom? Matthew, can you elaborate on store? What do you mean by Storecom? Okay, just give me 1 second right here. Is the document Storecom has this as link? Storecom access app copy mate sign up. Okay, sign up with this link. Okay, we're gonna sort it out for you. Okay, there's obviously the support link. Once you enter the actual product, there's a support link. Send them that and tell them you were on the webinar with Faraz, and you got that download. Just get access to this, and you're gonna get the Storecom as well. Okay. Do I need to go into a gallery and photograph it before I can create an art gallery? Patricia, if you want to create, like your own custom gallery, right? Obviously, you gotta photograph those, art, and just post them in there, exactly like what Tim did with his home. Tim actually just recorded his home and uploaded it, and it was, I mean, if you were on the demo, you've seen all of it from A to Z, right? Now, guys, for the 5 spots I offered right here and updated the coupons for 5 more spots, we still got 2. Now, usually those I call the golden ticket, right? The last 2 or last 1 or last 3, whatever, right? Whoever gets in within the last one, do let me know in the chat box so I can congratulate you, because I've got less than 60 seconds on the webinar and I have to go. I must go. There's no other option for me to stay. Okay? Craig is saying, I'm away to play with VRStudio. Bye, guys. Bye, Craig, and thank you for being on here. Tim is saying, first time with your team on this webinar. I enjoyed it. Thank you, Tim. We enjoyed having you and having everybody on this webinar. It was superb. Like, I can see the chat box. It was, if I go scroll back, I mean, I can't scroll back. There's too many messages from start to finish. It was unbelievably, humbly pleasurable for us. You know what I mean? Okay. Perfect. So guys, whoever gets the last 2 spots, congratulations in advance. I gotta go. You know, the team is asking for me right now. I gotta go get off this webinar. It was amazing. Cam Wong says, thank you so much. Thank you, actually. John is saying, I really enjoyed this webinar. We enjoyed having you, John. And thank you for being on this webinar as well. Thanks, everyone. And until next time, take care, everybody. Bye-bye.